Ooh, ooh. It's very tiny drops. As you can see, it's amazing waterfall. Wow, this is incredible. Here you have also a little very beautiful waterfall. As you can see, I'm in a deep forest and the waterfall is around 20 feet, but it's amazing. You can take shower down there, standing here, and feel amazing. Wow. So once you come in India, meet me and I will show you these amazing places on the way of Befall. That's really amazing. There's another waterfall, as you just showed you. That was another fall, but this is the taller waterfall. Drops down there, as you can see. It's really amazing to take shower here. And look here, the water goes here, and about 100 more meter further the water turned into a huge massive waterfall. But now it's time to eat some wild fruit and take shower in this God gift waterfall. I really love this waterfall because the other waterfall normally tourists go there. As you can see, there is a big, look there, there is another waterfall which is very famous for Indian tourists. But I really don't like crowd because I'm very peaceful person and I love this waterfall. It's amazing. Ooh. And the water is very cold. So first I have to put off my clothes and then I take shower. So from here, guys, I have to say goodbye till my next video. Woo! I hope you enjoy a lot with me in this beautiful waterfall, because normally when people make video they just go up to the massive waterfall, but I'm come here because I want to show you my personal secret waterfall, and it's really amazing. So till then, for my next video, bye bye, stay tuned. So here you have a most beautiful waterfall, and this is artificial dam, but the water is goes about 50 more meter on this way, and then it's go and fall down it makes a 250 feet waterfall. So I will show you everything.